Assalamu alaikum. Today I will show how to use Amazon Locker. When you ordered a product in Amazon with selecting the collection with Amazon Locker, then after delivery your product, you will get a code from Amazon, code for collecting the item from Amazon Locker. So you have to go the selected Amazon Locker. So I am going to the my selected Amazon Locker, and here I will put my code on the Amazon Locker screen. So you can see the locker is very closest to me, and I'm going to the Amazon Locker. This is Amazon Locker, and now I will press my code on the Amazon Locker screen. Here you can see in the middle that screen. In this screen you have to touch the screen first. After touching the screen, a window is open for pressing your code. Yeah, this is the screen where you will put your code. So I am putting my secret code, and after just putting the secret code, a door is open from the locker, and you have to collect your parcel. So I am collecting my parcel. After collecting your parcel, you have to close the door. So here I am closing the door. So collecting the parcel is finished, and here you will get a message that you have collect your parcel. Thank you very much. And this is the product I collect from Amazon Locker. This is the Tony Locker here in the UK, and is my very closest point, Amazon Locker. So this is how to collect items or parcel from Amazon Locker. This is very convenient. This is the first time I collect items from Amazon Locker, and this is very safe and easy and very convenient to me. I think if you order from Amazon, then you can collect the items you ordered from the Amazon from your nearest Amazon Locker. And this is the very easiest and convenient, and I think it is very safe and simple way to collect Amazon product. So if this video is very helpful to you, please subscribe my channel and share this video to your friends and family, so that they will be benefited from this video. So once again, thank you very much for watching this video, and see you soon with the next another tips and tricks video. Till then, stay with this channel. Thank you very much.